Hello, this is a presentation on neurocognitive disorders. I am Tate Boyer. We are going to be covering neurocognitive disorders, including major or mild neurocognitive disorders due to Alzheimer's, presented by Amanda, delirium, presented by Roberto, and major and mild neurocognitive disorders due to traumatic brain injury, presented by Kristen. Neurocognitive disorders, previously known as dementia, they were renamed in the DSM-5 to neurocognitive disorders. This is a diagnosis that is primarily diagnosed medically using CT, MRI, brain scans. So this is something where if you had a patient who had this diagnosis, they would have received it medically or in consultation with a medical doctor. And if they needed a diagnosis of neurocognitive disorder, you would need to consult with a medical doctor to get that brain imaging. Now, neurocognitive disorders are disorders that primarily affect cognitive functioning. And that can show up several different ways. One of the ways is through attention, being unable to maintain attention on a single thing or even on multiple things. Executive functioning, such as planning and decision making, most certainly memory. Language, both expressive and receiving language. So this has to do with word recall, being able to find the words that they're trying to use to express themselves. Neurocognitive disorders are also show up in perceptual motor functioning. So that would be vision, hearing, smell, but also with movement. Neurocognitive disorders can cause paralysis or partial paralysis. And neurocognitive disorders also can affect social cognition, so emotional recognition, but not just recognition, emotional maintenance, especially with traumatic brain injury. So there are a couple of videos, two videos that we found that are very useful for getting an idea of what it's like to live with traumatic brain injury. And then at the end of the presentation, there are also several resources, including an article. All right, enjoy the rest of the presentation. Thank you for your time.